At a time when we're searching desperately for positives in West Indies cricket, we have to hail the surprise package under 19 West Indies team, who after 2 games in the group stage has already qualified for the quarter-final round of the under 19 World Cup. And even more importantly, the teams they have beaten are Australia and England, guaranteeing that at least one of these 2 so-called big teams will get knocked out of the tournament. And it's not the fact that they beat these teams, it's how they beat them. The batsmen were belligerent and positive while still being calculating, while the bowlers were positive, hostile, and aggressive, and yet controlled. And collectively, they played with self-belief and confidence. This is just the first round, and them don't win nothing yet. But there is already enough about this young West Indies team and these young players to like and feel encouraged, especially in the bowling department. We already got a few pieces in place from the 2016 winning team with Shimran Hetmar, Alzari Joseph, and Kima Paul coming through. Whether this team goes on to win or not, there are already some more pieces here to fit into that bigger rebuilding puzzle. Now, this is what we call positive for West Indies cricket, not the senior West Indies team tying a T20 series with Ireland. And we are away.
Sports Commentary.